Delivering hot water. Make sure the hot water spout is attached correctly. Place a container under the spout, as close as possible to avoid splashes. Press the hot water button. Hot water is displayed, together with a progress bar which fills gradually as preparation proceeds. The machine delivers 250 millilitres of hot water. Then delivery stops automatically. To interrupt delivery of hot water manually, press the hot water button again. Change the quantity of water delivered automatically. The machine is set by default to automatically deliver 250 millilitres of hot water. To modify these quantities, proceed as follows. Position a container under the spout. Press the hot water button again until Hot Water Program Quantity is displayed. Then release the hot water button. When the hot water in the cup reaches the required level, press the hot water button again. The machine is now reprogrammed with the new quantity.